Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
What's up, y'all? We ready to take on the BN. But go ahead.
Oh, the buttery nipple. You shortened it that
Buttery
quick?
nipple. My nipples ain't buttery though. Mine is more like a mocha or a caramel.
Why?
Little chocolate, little Hershey kiss. What's a buttery nipple? I do declare. Maybe one of those people.
I'm not mature
What
enough
a way
for
to end
this.
this shoot.
Oh.
A buttery nipple. Woo chat.
Oh my God.
Maybe he was from what's that person that used all that butter? Paula Dean?
Oh
You
my
got a buttery nipple? Buttery. Nipple.
I can't. Okay, guys. As you can tell,
Ooh, chat, somebody might have high cholesterol sucking on those things.
we are on the edge, okay, fans. We are going to do the buttery nipple shot,
Ooh, chat.
and it has 2 ingredients, okay? It has butterscotch liqueur and Irish cream. That's
child.
literally the 2 ingredients. Oh, and a raspberry. for
Is that the
garnish.
nipple?
That's supposed to be the nipple. These are long ass nipples.
And those are hairy too. Ooh, child, they don't need a shave. Bless her heart. All right, let's get into this.
Okay, so we're gonna take our shakers with ice,
Okay.
and we're gonna do 2. Jesus Christ. Okay,
It's 1 ounce, right?
2 ounces
Ooh,
of the butterscotch schnapps and 1 part Irish cream. So we just shake this together.
Oh, we shaking it.
We're gonna shake this.
All right.
We're gonna shake this until it chills. And if it's anything like the last one, we're gonna have reserves, so leave enough room to put a little raspberry.
Maybe it tastes like one of those crunch cookies.
It could.
Oh, it's so creamy.
Aisle 3 next to the creams. Oh, I don't like saying that word.
Why did you say it like that, bro? That's so sus.
It's literally creamy with a red nipple. Is this from the redhead slut?
No.
Oh,
All right, well, I guess we're gonna have to.
pop that pole.
Wow, okay. All right, here we go.
Milky Way.
I can't get past the raspberry. Okay.
Okay. I guess I'll take the nipple.
You don't say okay.
Oh, the nipple is sour. Oh, God.
Yeah, I mean it's a raspberry. Okay. Well, it's as I remembered.
What you mean by that?
I also did this shot in grad school. I mean in undergrad, sorry.
On a buttery nipple or just the buttery
No,
nipple?
we didn't do all that. We didn't do all that.
Okay.
Didn't do all that. Just did the shot.
All right. Interesting.
Yep. Okay. Well, friends, it's not bad.
I'll say that.
Listen, as dirty name drinks go, it isn't really, again, that horrendous. I think we decided to play it down a little bit from last year. but it's not, it tastes okay. Like, it's not overly butterscotchy and not overly Irish cream. I think it's a good middle ground. It's probably about an 8.
For a shot, yeah.
I mean, it's not bad.
Not bad.
What do you think?
Well, this is what a buttery nipple is. I mean, can't go bad with it in experience. But overall, I would think I would probably give this about a, like you said, an 8.
Yeah.
It's like a dessert shot.
Yeah. It's sweet. It's sweet.
It's probably not overpowering, so you can probably take a couple of these and be okay with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, a dessert shot.
I would just say it's a little bit blah, but it's not bad. I mean, you know,
It's probably one of those palate shot things.
yeah. I mean, you
Take it
know,
along, cocktail shots or something.
I
don't
do
know.
think it is more along the lines, as you said, of like a dessert shot. I mean, because again, it's butterscotch liqueur and Irish cream, right?
For
So
the heavyweights and the lightweights, heavyweights might take a little bit more, but
yeah. So I don't have too many complaints on this one.
I would like to have buttery nipples. I mean, there's that.
Okay.
But I don't.
Okay. All right. I don't know how to continue that. I don't know where to go from there.
This is an interesting shit, and the fact that you can see clearly is what is amazing to me on this sheet. We're doing new things, ladies and gentlemen. So proud of her. Buttery nipples and Amber can see.
I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Although it's
Is
not.
that why you don't do the Jägermeister or the buttery nipples anymore?
God. Bad decisions were made in undergrad, and so
I want no parts of it. But I'm
I
glad that
don't.
you experienced
I
it.
don't. I
so you
don't.
can tell it.
I don't. But listen, I think as shots go, and this is one of the lesser like evils. It's not going to kill you by any means. Like, really, this is an easy shot to take. We just took a double shot of it. This is a double shot. Okay.
Yeah.
So
And there's more.
yeah. So it's really not like aggressive like some of your other shots where you're like, oh my God, I'm finna die. It's really not like that. It's really not bad. I would say, hey, try it out. See what you think. Again, as dirty name shots go, these were kind of tame for us.
Right.
And that's okay. We didn't need to go all out there this time because I felt like we did a blowjob shot last time.
We did. It was at the sperm one. It probably was the sperm one.
ma'am. That's the one where you go do, you know. And
Yeah.
nobody needs to like, okay, we did it one time. We don't need to do it again, right? So listen. As far as these things go, okay, obviously we're doing some fun things around Valentine's Day that aren't like just typical, like the champagne drinks and whatnot. So what are your go-tos, if you have any, for Valentine's Day? Are they more of the shot variety? Are they more of the cocktail variety? Or are they just straight champagne and wine? And you just said that I'm just gonna drink whatever I want to. That's also okay.
Do
Nothing
what
wrong
you
with
do.
that. But let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Okay?
Don't forget also to, if there's upcoming episodes or months coming up with holidays or whatever, just feel free to drop a comment below of stuff that we can possibly try for some upcoming holidays, months, special occasions, whatever the case may be. And also, on that note, also further out for next year, but we're also going to do field trips. So we have one that we're starting to plan right now. As we're shooting this, but maybe by the time we'll probably already have the information out or about to send the information out by the time you view it. But we're planning on doing a local event where people could come in and we could do a shoot together, or we all take like a wine class or something like that.
Yeah.
So we're in the works of still working on that, but we're hoping to have that for the March shoot. So stay tuned. We're hoping that it's less cost effective. We do need your help. We're still starting out. So with that being said, either we needing you to pay for your way to get there, which is cost effective, I would say, $10, $20 maybe for a ticket. But other than that, yeah. So we're gonna start this off and hopefully we can do more of these going forward. So like I said, March, we're hoping to give you a, field trip.
A field trip for sure. Yeah, I mean, we're trying to plan ahead, and you know, it's still, you know, the weather's still iffy over here in the DMV area, so we always have to like
inside, having some hors d'oeuvres.
But we feel like this is a pretty safe start out as far as field trips go, and so we're excited about that particular opportunity. If there's any other ideas that you might have, or for some ventures that you would like to see us take, by all means, you know, let us know. We'll definitely explore those options. You know, we just out here doing the thing, and
trying to do different stuff.
2 years in, still doing something.
We came a long way.
Something different. Yeah, it's definitely a growing thing.
Yeah.
So, with that being said, we're gonna wrap up this episode, and we will see you next time in the next adventure.
See y'all.